doing everything by video. I was a bit concerned at the beginning if it would work, but then I was really surprised that it worked that good, to be honest, because it's like, okay, yeah, we're in the year 2026, so it's somehow normal to have video calls and all these stuff. Yeah, everyone is getting used to it. But like these analysis, what we did, yeah, like from the movement, the pictures, what you've taken, then you showed me exactly like how the body works in these areas, and that it was really, really good. So if I need to rate it from 0 to 10, it's a 10 out of 10. Like I was really, really appreciate all the work with you, to be honest. Looking back, 12 weeks, 3 months ago, the easiest example is the wall slide. Wasn't able to perform at least one. So in the meantime, there's no pain anymore. I also be able to do push-ups again. All the movement is getting better. The pain is way less than before. Yeah. And I'm just following like the last weeks, also this week, the program exercises of the last 2 weeks. Yeah, because they are quite good. And I feel like the arm bar looks like it's one of the best exercises. Yeah, because after them I'm feeling really, really good. Yeah. Also the suitcase carry, yeah, with the weight. So somehow it feels quite good and releases the pain. Yeah. So overall I would say that was a good journey. I'm also able to do like full exercises. Yeah, looking back to till now, it's amazing. Yeah. Like in general, the movement, yeah, like putting on jacket, yeah, like raising up, doing like these exercises. So in the meantime, that's like nearly no pain anymore. I'm quite confident that it's getting better, yeah, based on all these exercises, which helped me, yeah, which I would say are now in the package of the exercises, what I will execute. Yeah, not looking on YouTube and going through everything, what I've ever seen, but now I've realized which exercises are really, really good for me and which helps me, yeah. World greatest stretch. So also compare it to the beginning, it was like really, really stiff. And in the meantime, because I have mirrored it, like, wow. And sometimes I'm really surprised without feeling like any force against this movement, and then looking in the mirror and how my position is. And I was, wow. I never thought that this could ever be possible, to be honest. It's also that I'm realizing many things, how I improved my complete movement of everything. Yeah, the range of like nearly every movement of every exercise. What you gave me is improved a lot.
That's awesome. You can just see like there's just this elevation of your upper trap. Like you just kind of see like you just see this like hard angle, right? Where basically your shoulders is not moving at all. Your scapula is not moving at all. Let's see, let's watch again. There's maybe a little bit there, but like you can see good. And then you get there.
Yeah.
And now watch your upper trap and your lower neck. It just suddenly starts to just kind of elevate.
Yeah.
There. Yep. So then today, right at the top, you look, you still have it a little bit, right? A little bit where there, which is going to happen with your kind of like dominant side is always going to be a little more developed, but
yeah.
Obviously you can see the symmetry of like so I'm coming out from the side. You can see my cursor there.
Yep.
The cursor, and you can kind of see everything is open. Same thing here, right there. This one shows it pretty well too. So this was at the top with the pause, right? Where everything's relatively symmetrical. I mean, again, there's still a little elevation, but yeah, looks, you're also looking a little more jacked. So you've been doing all your banded pull parts. There you go. This says it all. Bam. Here we go.